हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास थर्ड ईवीएस का चैप्टर नंबर 5 छोटूज हाउस। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को। टेक द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस अबाउट छोटूज हाउस। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, व्हाट डिड छोटू थिंक व्हेन ही लुक्ड एट द पाइप? करेक्ट आंसर इज टू मेक अ प्लेस फॉर स्टे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड छोटू यूज द पाइप? The correct answer as shelter. Next question, into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? The correct answer is sleeping area and cloth dyeing area. Next question, in which part of his house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? The correct answer is outside the pipe. Right, true or false? A house protects us from wild animal. True. We must throw garbage in our friend's house. False. Always greet the invited guest at your house. True. A house should be well ventilated. True. Question answers. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? Answer. When Chotu looked at the pipe, he thought that pipe would be the safest place to live. Pipe could save him from strong winds, rain and cold. Next question. How did Chotu use the pipe? Answer. Chotu used the pipe as a home. Next question. In which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? Answer. Chotu would like to spend most of his time in the part which was meant for guests. Next question. Into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding areas? Answer. Chotu divided the pipe and its surrounding areas into following parts: a part for sleeping, a part for cooking, a part for drying clothes, a part for storing water, a part where guests can sit or guest room. Next question, why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Answer, Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe because of following reasons. Monu had no place to live. Chotu needed someone's company. Next question, who all live with you in your house? Answer, my family members, including my father, mother, and my sister, live in my house. Chotu divided the pipe into different parts. Next question, write the names of different parts of your house. Answer, my house has following parts: drawing room, bedroom, toilet, bathroom, kitchen, study room. Next question, is there any part of your house where one particular member of your family spends more time? Answer, yes, my mother spends most of her time in the kitchen. Next question, is there any part of your house where a particular family member never goes or goes for a short time? Answer, yes, my father never goes to the kitchen or goes for a short time. Next question, how do you keep your house clean? Answer, we clean our house by following methods. There is a regular cleaning with broomstick. There is a regular mopping of floors. Bathroom is cleaned on a daily basis. Once in a month, the whole house is cleaned by vacuum cleaner. Next question, who all help to keep your house clean? Answer, there is a maid servant who does the mopping. All members in the family take turns to clean the bathroom, During monthly cleaning, everybody contributes. Next question. Where do you throw the garbage of your house? Answer. We throw the garbage in the garbage bin which is kept on the roadside. Next question. Is the area around your house clean? Answer. Yes, the area around my house is clean. Next question. Is there any special way in which you decorate your house? When and how? Answer. Yes, on festive occasions, we decorate our house in special ways. Let us take example of Diwali. We decorate our house with colorful lights and with rangoli. Next question. Name the things with which you decorate your house. Answer. Some of the things we have to decorate our house are as follows: flowers, wall hangings, painting, artifacts, fancy lights, etc. Next question. Why do we need shelter? Answer. We need shelter to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wind, wild animal and thieves. Next question. What are the different kinds of houses? Answer. There are two kinds of houses. Kacha house. These houses are not very strong. These houses are called a temporary house. They can get damaged very easily. Example, hut. Pakka house, permanent house. These houses are very strong. They are called permanent house because they remain safe for many years. Example, bungalow, multi-story buildings. Next question. Name the rooms in your house. Puja room, kitchen, bedroom, dining room, study room, storeroom, drawing room, bathroom, toilet. Next question. What facilities should a home have? Answer. A good home should be properly ventilated. A good home should allow sunlight and fresh air to come in. The windows and the door should have proper wire netting to keep away bees and the mosquitoes. A good home should have a proper drainage system. Next question. Why should we allow sunlight to come in our house? Answer. We should allow sunlight and fresh air to come in because they kill germs in our home. Next question. Why do we have wire netting on our windows and doors? Answer. Windows and doors should have wire netting to keep away the bees and mosquitoes. Next question. Name the material used to make a pakka house. Answer. Cement, bricks, steel, stone and wood. Next question. Name the materials used to make a kacha house. Answer. Mud, palm leaf, straw bamboos and sticks. Why do we need shelters? Answer. We need shelter to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wind, wild animal and thief. इसी के साथ हमारा ये वीडियो कंप्लीट होता है। हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, जिससे आपको आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें। धन्यवाद।